First of all, thank you so much, Coach Ryan Gregorio de Santino, the very meek and amiable coach that I work with in the PBA. First thing first, this project is really very special to me. I believe that Edward Aquino knows this. I'm addressing him as Sir Edward. When a day before I met the accident, the last people I spoke with or met with are the team of Sir Robin, especially Ray. Thank you so much. When I became lucid after my recovery, the first file that I work on my laptop is all about this 3x3 event. Why? Because I believe and I was touched really by how Sir Robin, a pure Korean, loved the Philippines. And thank you for your love for the Philippines, Atang Robin. Thank you so much. Second, I would like to thank the Executive Director of the Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas, Ma'am Erica Caitlin D. 2 hours prior to our arrival, she was able to release an endorsement letter to all the zone regional head of SBP across the country, endorsing this Philippine Champions Cup 3x3 event as an official SBP event. So thank you for that, Ma'am Erica. Thank you very much, SBP, sa mga basketball ng Pilipinas. Third, gusto ko pong magpasalamat sa lahat ng media that are present right now. You know, when we were in the planning stage for this event, ang una ko pong sinabi kay Tatang Robin is, we will not be successful without the help and support of Philippine sports media. I've been in the PBA, I've been in this industry for nearly 3 decades na. I've experienced handling PCCL, PBA, NBL. We've had international 3x3 event that we staged in 2018 and 2019 where we sent Philippine team to Beijing and Guangdong to compete in an international event. And all this sports event was made successful because of our media friends. Maraming salamat po. Ngayon, hindi lang mainstream media ang importante. Importante na rin po ngayon ang mga content creators. Pwede mo palakpakan natin yung mga media friends natin na nandito ngayon. Thank you very much. And I believe with us working with you will definitely make this event very successful. Fourth, I would like to thank Phila. Thank you so much, sir. Annyeong sa'yo. Thank you so much for believing in the Philippines. You know, there's a lot of other countries na pwede naman nilang pag-investan ng product nila, ng money and all that. Sabi nga ni Tatang Robin, maraming pera sa 3XC event na to. But, you know, they chose the Philippines, and for that, allow me to thank you. Thank you so much. Fifth, you might be wondering why we have the Negro Slasher, Jeff Chan, and the Skyros Cyrus Baguio here. Not only because Coach Jeff is a coach in our NBL team, and Cyrus is my kumpare from way back. It is because they'll form part of the basketball legend team to compete with the champion and the Korean artist together with Willie Miller and Rani Del De Ocampo to be coached by Coach Ronnie Magsano. So, ni-reveal ko na, sorry. The Korean artist, I cannot reveal the celebrity artists. We have a list, but of course, until matapos natin yung legs natin, makarating tayo sa Elite 8, dumating tayo sa Ninoy Aquino, then we will be advising our media friends kung sino yung mga available na celebrities. This will also not be successful without the support of all my sponsors way back PBA days, from HWL, from Glutamax, Glutamax Men from Proline Sports. We've been together for 8 years already. My other sponsors who are here, and of course, our partners who will be doing or staging this event together with NBL. Of course, for Region 1, allow me to identify the region. So Region 1, Pangasinan, La Union, and Baguio, including the Cordillera, is under Coach Chris Calago and Coach Sonny De Jesus. For Region 2, Nueva Vizcaya, Quirino, Isabela, Tuguegarao, and Cagayan, under Coach Ronnie Amoncio. For Pampanga, Nueva Ecija, and Zambales, under the SBP Region 3, Zone Head. Bulacan, Metro Manila, Laguna, Cavite, Mindoro, Quezon, and Rizal, under Coach Roy Marvin Gale and Coach Francis Natividad. Region 5 under Engineer Solomon Ngo of Kamsura Express in Cebu. So again, thank you so much for being present in spite that PSC also has their own press con today. Maraming salamat. And we hope to see you all in the games. Maraming salamat. Thank you.